Before we purchased Barlow's, it was Swain Farm. They called us and asked us if we would purchase their business because they wanted to retire. We said, well, we would love to, but we have nothing. And they said, don't worry about it. We'll make it possible. Just come down and run the garden center, and we'll make it possible for you to buy the farm. That's how we came to Barlow's. My husband, Steve, was a gardener and landscaper, and he started with a private estate. He worked very, very hard, and we lived in a garage apartment at the estate. I would design all the flowers for the front house, and that's where I really became a designer of cut flowers. We just got in this together. I didn't think he realized I would be so integral because I had 3 children, and they were little. Stephanie was probably 9, Stephen was 7, and the little guy was 4. We thought it would be a good idea for Stephen because he was so interested in this field. He would run over here in the morning and immediately had his own jobs that he took upon himself to do. We really did not stand in his way. He and his father worked well together, and they started to build the business. But he became more of a face for Barlow Flower Farm, and now he's the owner. Stephen's children and my other grandchildren will always have Barlow's to go to. There's a lot of pride in that. Thank you for being with us for 40 years. I look forward to the future.